Do you suffer from hair damage? Let us tell you about some effective ways to treat damaged hair in women. Trim regularly. Regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks can help remove split ends and prevent further damage from occurring. Use a gentle shampoo. Look for a shampoo that is sulfate-free, as sulfates can strip the hair of its natural oils and cause further damage. Deep condition regularly. Use a deep conditioning treatment once a week or more often if your hair is severely damaged. Look for a product with ingredients like keratin, coconut oil, or shea butter to help nourish and repair the hair. Eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals can help promote healthy. Avoid heat styling. Heat styling tools like flat irons, curling irons, and hair dryers can damage hair over time. Try to air dry your hair as often as possible or use a heat protectant spray before using hot tools. Be gentle when brushing. Use a wide tooth comb or a brush with soft bristles to minimize breakage when detangling your hair. Use hair masks. Use a hair mask once a week to help repair damaged hair. Look for products with ingredients like avocado, honey, or argan oil to help nourish and moisturize the hair. Limit chemical treatments. Chemical treatments like coloring, perming, and relaxing can damage the hair. If you must chemically treat your hair, make sure to follow the instructions carefully and avoid over-processing. By following these tips and being patient, you can help repair and restore your damaged hair to a healthy, shiny state.